Yeah, yeah. Step back. Step back, I got the most sack. I got the
whole gang inside my pocket, I'm blaspheming. I can handle all the democracy. They pardon me, I'm frightening. Inside my pocket, I'm blaspheming. I can handle all the democracy. They pardon me, I'm frightening.
I need the cash, I need to flex. It's Tyson Mpshe. I panda all the time, and all the time I always need the Rex and the sex. It's Tyson Mpshe. You know I didn't pay the rent, I never pay, I never play. What else can I fucking say? I have no food, I'm in a mood. Dripping like I'm Billy Juice. I need a bitch that's pretty thick, looking like a baby bitch. I'm really rich, I can buy you anything you really wish. Only if you sucking dick, only if it's really lit. Only if you fucking me, I wanna be that nigga you wanna be. I'm smoking weed. It's like why you smoking weed and selling weed. I'm only being me. Being me is like a fantasy.
step back, I got the most sack. I got the whole bag. Like,
you a stingy nigga and you got some sticky fingers, yeah. You won't pull the trigger, my nigga, you won't deliver, yeah. And the trigger bout to hit his liver and it splatter, yeah. Rat-a-tat, we came under the hood, came up from the block, open up the box, building blocks like a minion, yeah. What's the minimum? 200K, that's the minimum. Check the fit and it's linen, yeah. Yeah, I'm dripping, yeah. I been killing niggas dead, my eyes are red.